Some breaking news coming in. Well, in the Karnataka sex crimes case, no relief for Prajwal Revanna. This is the Supreme Court has denied bail to Prajwal Revanna. Remember, he's been accused of sexually assaulting hundreds of women. In fact, also making videos of the sexual assault. There was a huge controversy. In fact, his arrest was an extremely difficult one for the Karnataka police as well. He was arrested immediately after he landed in India at the Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru. That's where he was arrested from. But he has made several appeals for bails, not just in the Supreme Court, but in the lower courts and the high courts as well. But no relief there for Prajwal Revanna. The Supreme Court strongly denying bail. In fact, several important observations were also made by the Supreme Court in the bail hearing. Remember, both Prajwal Revanna and his father, in fact, had also filed anticipatory bail ahead of the arrest. But that was something that was denied by the courts as well. He continues to be in jail. Remember, he was fighting elections as well, and there was huge criticism of the BJP over this as well, for siding with the JDS over this. But of course, the BJP, in fact, top brass of the BJP has condemned the sex crimes case there as far as Karnataka is concerned. It was a pretty dramatic arrest, if you remember. He was arrested straight from the airport, and the charges are extremely critical against him. Remember, he has been charged with sexually assaulting, with raping hundreds of women, and also making videos of it and circulating it. In fact, it was after a long time that this case resurfaced in Karnataka. But extremely shocking there how he continued to enjoy some sort of impunity for months after committing this absolutely heinous crime. Let me go across to my colleague Veera Raghav joining us on the phone line. So Veera, no relief there for Prajwal Revanna, with the Supreme Court strongly denying bail.
As anticipated there, Vedant, given the gravity of the case, this was a matter that Prajwal Revanna has taken up to the Supreme Court. But as anticipated, given that the allegations are extremely serious, the Supreme Court ruling on the same lines that has been as far as the High Court is concerned on this case.
All right, Veera, thanks very much for joining us with the latest there. And as I said, the Supreme Court making several important points as well. In a sense, also upholding the High Court's judgment as far as the Prajwal Revanna case is concerned. Remember, there are 3 cases that have been registered against Prajwal Revanna, all extremely grave allegations, as Veera was also pointing out as well. And apart from that, many women, many survivors have filed separate complaints as well, which is why the Supreme Court very strongly denying bail to Prajwal Revanna.